Hey guys, back at it again, walking the same day. But guess what? My phone ran out of storage space. So yeah, that particular video was about like what, 10 minutes long at most. And yeah, so yeah, as I was saying before, mail address 432 Holly Street, Boonville, North Carolina. I don't know the P.O. box number. But yeah, if you guys ever want to send me anything, that'd be cool. I mean, I'll do an unboxing video and shit like that, but if you don't, that's still pretty cool. At least you're watching my videos. That's thanks enough. I mean, it really don't matter to me if I get anything in the mail or not. I mean, it's still pretty cool to get, like, views and shit, because I'm still just starting up. I mean, I was going to start a gaming channel, but then I realized I don't know how the fuck to do that. I really don't. So if there are any gamers out watching my videos or something, please let me know how the fuck to set up a goddamn gaming channel. There's gonna be...
That snap, by the way.
I know. Okay, I know. Spot, no, you dumb son of a bitch. Bigger dog lives in that goddamn house.
Bigger dog walks beside me.
No, I'm talking about bigger dog than Spot.
Oh. The bigger dog walking beside me like a both those dogs at once. Very simple. Pick up, shake, and drop. Pitbull in there won't come out as big and sounds. I know this because it was sitting there bitching one day, and then she opened the door, and he looked at Biggin, looked back at her, and started whimpering.
Help! So yeah, we got our doggos. We'll be pretty much walking them on a daily.
Boos. Boos.
And if you guys like send me a leash or something, that'd be fucking amazing, because this strap I'm using is about to fucking break.
Here, how about this? I find Murphy's old collar, chain. Motherfucker was like that. I'll give this one, well no, I can't do that because this is tiny. I'll give you Murphy's. Hoos.
Man, fuck that hoos and shit.
No, I'm teaching Biggin to stop on command.
If you guys could also send me a collar, that would be amazing, because this chain I'm using as a collar for my dog is rubbing his neck fucking raw. So the two main things I really need is a leash and a collar. Anything else is on you guys if you want to send me shit.
Is that your mom?
I don't know.
Sloop. Hey, you know that thing you said you found while you was out walking?
Yeah.
It's downstairs.
I know.
All you gotta do is take that carabiner right there and